Imagine waking up to sirens and a blinding flash. A nuclear explosion could be closer than you think. Here's what really happens and what to do right now to survive. A nuclear blast releases enormous energy from an atom's nucleus. There are two types: fission bombs and far more powerful fusion thermonuclear bombs. History and nuclear tests showed us both immediate destruction and long-lasting radiation effects. The danger doesn't end when the flash is over. A nuclear detonation produces 5 deadly effects: intense heat, blast wave, initial radiation, electromagnetic pulse, and fallout. Close to ground zero, everything is vaporized by the fireball. A ring of extreme burns and destruction radiates outward in seconds. A shockwave smashes buildings and throws debris. An EMP can disable electronics. No phones, no internet, no power. Radioactive fallout, dust and particles, drifts down and contaminates everything. It causes cancers and genetic damage that can last for decades. If you hear or see an explosion, don't look, don't run outside. Get inside and put as much dense material and distance between you and the outside as possible. Seal doors, windows, and vents. Turn off HVAC. Avoid fresh air and don't use outside air until authorities say it's safe. Best, underground basement or shelter. If not available, go to the center of a sturdy building, away from windows and exterior walls. Seal doors, windows, and vents. Turn off HVAC. Avoid fresh air and don't use outside air until authorities say it's safe. If you were outside or exposed, remove contaminated clothing carefully and seal it. Shower with soap and water, shampoo hair, wash thoroughly. Most external radiation dust is removed this way. Radiation levels drop quickly at first. A big portion decays within 24 to 72 hours, but stay sheltered until authorities confirm it's safe. Prepare a kit: water, non-perishable food, battery radio, flashlight, masks, gloves, first aid, and medicines. At least a few days' supply. Expect outages. Power, internet, and phones may fail. Use battery radios for official instructions and avoid unnecessary travel. Watch for severe symptoms: burns, nausea, vomiting, hair loss. Medical help may be limited. Follow public health instructions for decontamination and treatment. The blast is terrifying, but simple actions in the first minutes save lives. Get inside, stay inside, seal your shelter, decontaminate if exposed, and listen to authorities. Prepare now so you're ready if the unimaginable happens.